Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone? 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some?
Hello and welcome to the Queen of Skincare. My name is Sassy. I just did my Mask Monday, but guess what? Lady said I could do 2 videos because I got something I want to show you and because I wanted you guys to see just my skincare routine because, sometimes I change it up. You never know. But I just did my mask, sprayed my face with a manicador. You guys really need, I'm telling you. If you're saying, oh, I just don't like the smell of roses, skip the hell over it. I'm done listening to people complain about that. Just plug your nose. Put some cotton in your nose and just go like this. Because that shit right there doesn't... Oh, that stuff right there, it feels so hydrating. So it's not that big of a deal what it smells like. I don't know. Maybe I'm just stepping out of line. Yeah, that would be a first. All right, let's get going on the Nutrium. This is the BHA liquid exfoliant. It's 2%. It's like the milk the husband buys. He always buys 2%. I wonder what they do with the other 98% of the milk.
Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorry's won't be enough this time. Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action and distract him right now. He's fine, got Lucy on the line, let's get this started. Where's the party tonight? I feel good, nothing weighs me down. I can't believe my luck right now. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone? Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart, it needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Ooh, who needs a job to pay the rent? He's busy. Gotta feel free sometimes, right? What doesn't make you will only make you stronger if you believe what they say. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Red eyes while he said, don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone? Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart, it needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Just make it go away. Can't take another day. Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like that. It hurts, so give him something worse to pass the time. Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone? Don't you wanna have fun? Never mind my dumb heart, it needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun? Don't you wanna have some fun?
Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around with someone? 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun?
Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like that. It burns, so give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be another day. She would've wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorries won't be enough this time. Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action and distract him right now. He's fine, got Lucy on the line, let's get this started. Where's the party tonight?
That is my skincare from the queen of skincare. So, oh, my face feels amazing, you guys. I love just sitting there being quiet now and just doing the next step and the next step and showing you guys all of these wonderful brushes. Like, you know, the three that I did use, I just, every time I see them, when I put them in front of me and I start doing my skincare, it's like, I have to have it in my hand. Anyway, okay, let's go. We're just talking too much. I don't want this video to be very long. So let's get going on this. Guess what we are sharing today? Oh, yes, yes, yes. The lady said I could do it. Her panties. This is March Splendies. Oh, it is, but it is. I got to make some room here because these things, usually they're pretty big. Okay, we've got some room here so we can just go ahead and open up her March panties. They're from Splendies, you guys. Comes in this little cardboard envelope. I particularly think it's genius. Saves on postage. However, the first package we got was all torn up inside. This one has the green, like the St. Patty's Day celebration. When was it? Last Friday? Yes, it was last Friday, I believe. You know what it says? It tells us where it's from. Established in 2013, so they have been around for, let's see, 9 years. Oh, yes. Santa Monica, California. That's like just down south from me. Okay, let's open it up. I really don't want to tear this wrapping. It's so pretty. Oh, these colors. Oh, Miss Lady, she's going to love them. You guys, I'm telling you. Oh my God, you guys, I'm telling you. Oh, these are gorgeous. I got to show you this first pair. Look at these, you guys. Did you see the way it looks like crushed velvet? Oh my God, it does. It feels like that, you know, that velvet. Oh my God. And then these back, look at the back end, you guys. Slays. Oh yes. It's so sexy. Whose are they? They're by Splendies. And remember, she gets a large. I don't know if she changed it to extra large just in case. Because some of them, they say true to fit, but they're not, you know. Remember when I put those other ones up against it? It was like a small. And then one was like a large and a half. They're larges. Okay. But I'm telling you, look at, you get plenty of cheek coverage with this gorgeous lace. I know, I'm just going on and on. You know I get excited for her when she gets her panties because I get to wear them. Oh, yes. Yes, I do. We need a nightie to match these. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. Just, oh, wait till you see these ones. Wait till you see them. They're $12. They have Splendies on them. And they're all lace. And then, oh, look at this band, because I love this band. It's like the ones I have on right now. I'm a superhero. My bra and my panties match. Look. It's got that white band on there. That's perfect when you have a little fupa. Yeah, oh, it is. It's perfect. Especially for the lady. She's carrying a little weight around her fupa. But look. It's got that little bit of waistband that's a little... It's thicker for thicker ladies. Thicker mid-sections. Let's see if it has a pocket for the rocket. It does, ladies. Oh, yes, it does. You got your pocket right there, stick your rocket in there, and you just, woo! Just woo! Anywhere you want. Yes. Don't make me tell you all of the places that you can, woo! Because, oh, never mind. I just keep that to myself. Okay, so that's panties number 2. Here's number 3. No. Why didn't we open these when we got them? Dag nabbit. Look at them with the shamrocks and the clovers. The clovers, you guys. They're all lace panties. But these, I could have worn them to the club. Are you liking these? I thought you was turning around, but you was. I know they're gorgeous. You've never seen my panties. Don't tell everybody you have. We haven't even opened that chapter in the book. You can picture it, but that's about it. Look at the illustrations. Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? It's a Splendies brand. It is a large, $12. So this is $36 worth of panties for $16 a month. You know, I just worry sometimes about the size when they say made to fit or step to fit or fit to fit or something like that. Size to fit, whatever. Okay, because I mean, look, oh my God, they're gorgeous. Does it have a rocket pocket? This one has one you can put your turbo rocket in there. Look at the size of it. This is for large cooches. Yes, it's your turbo rocket. Can go right on in there. Absolutely. You don't always have to put the Jolly Rancher in there. You can put that butterfly in there too. You know. They call it the tickler. It'll fit just perfect. Okay. So anyway, that's panty 1. Oh, I don't know. I think these might be my favorite. This is panty 2. And oh my gosh, you guys, look at the coverage on the back. These are gorgeous. I don't know, you guys. Panty 2. It's $12. You guys pick your favorite. And that one, those two both had a pocket for your rocket. And then there's this one, you guys. This one is like, oh my God. This is the one you like wear to church under your dress. Just so you can feel sexy when you're sitting there. Just praise in the Lord. It's okay. It's just have church up in here. Thank you. Okay. But you know what I mean? Yeah, look, it's pretty, right? Okay, that's number 3. Don't let me down. That's number 3. This one doesn't have a tag, though. I don't know where the tag went. I don't know. Maybe it fell off. Anyway, look, and it's got the nice coverage on your butt cheeks. Place your votes now. 1, 2, or 3. Let me know down in the comment section down below. Oh, by the way, I do have a giveaway. She said, during the Splendies video, when I show the panties, I can also show the second giveaway. But you guys, before we do that, do me a favor, okay? This is number 3. This one was always number 2 with the name on it. And this is number 1. This is with the 4-leaf clovers. The 4-leaf clover one is number 1. Okay? And yet, you know, I had that backwards. There we go. Damn it. I hate when I do that. That's because the front looks like the back looks like the front. Who cares? I don't care. Just be quiet. Let's see. Does this one? This one has just a little. This is like for serious, like your finger pocket. Yes. Okay. If you guys don't know what that is, you need to go to a naughty ladies store and or have a party or go to one you've been invited to. Okay, so anyway, you guys got that? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Vote down below. Tell me which one is your favorite panty. This is another brush giveaway. Oh yes, this is the LARUCE. Check this out, you guys. This is that one that this has brushes in it. Remember we got 2? Remember? Like when you're using it, it's in here. When it's done, it goes in the dirty cup. It lets you know you need to go wash your brushes. Because you guys are like cochinas. You don't wash your brushes. Tascao. Yes. This one has... Okay, where is the... Oh, now that one wasn't that. It has 5 brushes, you guys. It's got 5 brushes. And there was that really pretty gray. Remember this color? So they're really pretty. They're absolutely gorgeous. And we're giving this away too. So listen, you guys. This is the LARUCE brush set giveaway. You have to have something to go with those brushes. And you know, this entire time, I have not been able to hear. Oh my God, it's been like in a tunnel. But then I look stupid. I don't need your opinion. So again, something to go with your brushes. This one is the Ace Beauty Slice of Paradise. Because if you're going to get a set of brushes, you need something that you can use them on. And this is it. It's gorgeous. We thought it matched perfect, doesn't it? Like the gray look. Look, you guys. It just seemed like it fit perfect, you know. It just like went perfect. We're not going to take... Gotta keep that... Okay, hang on. That's the protective cover. Gotta be careful. Careful not to touch it. What do you think? It's like peacock colors. There's paradise colors. It's like tropical paradise colors. You can do all kinds of things with your eyes, you guys. Okay, so these are the main attraction items for the Splendies. I don't know what you want to call it, type of giveaway. We'll call it whatever we want. You guys, it doesn't really matter because this is the 2 items that are the main attractions that are going inside your giveaway, okay? And then, of course, she puts 3 other items in there. I believe this one is a combo because of my lunch that I had with that turkey loaf and the curly fries. So now let's go ahead. Let's give you guys a secret word, okay? Let's see. I'm looking around. I'm scanning things to see. Paradise. Your secret word to get you entered into this giveaway with the LARUCE 5-piece brush set with those cups that goes clips together. And that palette from Ace Beauty, Slice of Paradise. Your secret word is paradise. It's going to be right there. So there you go. You know what it is. You know what you need to do. I'm going to get the hell out of here because I think I'm going to go try on some panties. You guys have a wonderful afternoon wherever the hell you are. I'm serious. Just, you know what? Wherever the hell you are, just have fun. Look at these old, this is the old lady arms. You see the signs of that? It's like, watch. Just kidding. It's very embarrassing. Okay. Wherever you are in this big, huge universe, world, wherever, you have yourself a very wonderful day. And I will see you in my next video, okay? Yes, okay. I know. I'm like ready for a nap. I know. Just okay. Bye. Peace.
Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around someone?